Conversation on renewable energy. Tina, you know that energy crisis is a serious issue of the present world. Scientists predict that within the next 50 years, the reserve of petroleum, diesel, coal, and gas will exhaust. Yeah, the world will face a great crisis. It is true that the present civilization is running being ignited by especially oil, but oil is not found in every country. Exactly. A few countries are the major oil exporters, and most of the countries import fuel oil. But very soon the exporting countries will lose their reserve of oil. Hence, it is time we thought of alternative source of energy. You are right. In our country, solar energy is becoming popular. It can save oil and other kinds of energy. Biogas produced from garbage and cow dung can significantly meet up the shortage of electricity. Population of our country is increasing alarmingly, and so the demand of electricity is also increasing. Hence, we must think of its alternative, the sooner the better. At present, the government is thinking of the use of atomic energy in producing electricity. If it is implemented, we can fight back the crisis of power. Yeah, it will also make us forget about load shedding, so it is high time we thought of renewable energy. I agree with you. Thanks. You are most welcome. Thanks for watching this video.